Okay. So simplify. You have to simplify this. Is the question clear to you guys? Hmm? Is the question clear to you guys? Simplify A union B intersection C, complement union B, complement whole complement. Okay, guys? So what will be the first step? What will be the first step? What will be the first step? Guys, please.
স্যার আমরা ফার্স্ট কমপ্লিমেন্টটা ভেঙে নিব।
Okay, so the Morgan's law. So A union B intersection C, complement, then this would become union becomes intersection. This one become this. So the Morgan's law. Then next
স্যার ওই কমপ্লিমেন্ট দুইটা চলে যাবে।
চলে যাবে। Okay, fine. So A union B intersection C একটা আরেকটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে okay, using which rule? Which rule? What is the rule?
Double
Double negation or
negation.
double complement. Double negation is used in actually logic, or double complement is used in set theory. But same, they are same. Then what? Then
দেন
what?
স্যার আমরা সিবি কে একসাথে করে দিতে পারি।
সিবিকে একসাথে করলে লাভটা কি হবে?
কোনো লাভ হবে না স্যার। স্যার আমরা বিটা কমন নিতে পারি দেন।
দুইটা কিভাবে কমন দেবে?
হবে না স্যার।
মানে হওয়ার তো চান্স দেখছি না।
দেন স্যার আমার এ আর সি একসাথে চলে আসতো। দুইটা কমন
জানলি বলছেন। আচ্ছা এটা দেখেন, এ ইউনিয়ন বি, এটা তো সম্ভব লেখা না? যেহেতু একই অপারেশন এখানে এখানে, তাই এটাকে এখানে নিলাম, এটা এখানে নিলাম। পসিবল?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What rule is this? What is this rule called?
Associative.
Associativity. তারপর এটুকু খালি just think this. What can you do using this? Can you use apply a formula? What is that formula? What is that formula? Side note. কোনটা? A union A intersection B is nothing but A. A intersection
Absorption.
absorption. Okay. So what can I write here?
A
Hmm.
intersection C.
So it is nothing but this part is nothing but B. The final answer is B intersection C.
B.
Absorption. Then this এবার একটা প্রবলেম করাবো যেটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট প্রবলেম। সো ইট কেম লাস্ট সেমিস্টার মিড টার্ম। এই সেমিস্টারে চান্স নেই, বাট প্রবলেম একটু কমপ্লিকেটেড, সে কারণে আমি এটা করাবো। আর ইউ গাইস রেডি ফর দ্যাট ওয়ান?
ইয়েস স্যার।
ওকে। The problem is like this. Show that A relative complement of B whole relative complement of C is nothing but A relative complement of C relative complement of B and C. So you have to show this. So how can you solve this problem? Is the question clear to you guys? You have to show this. How can you show this? Yes, please. Should we start?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
let's start. Acha, what is this? A relative complement of B. What is this? What is the logical equivalent of this? All x belongs to A and x not belongs to B. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So if x does not belongs to B, for example, let's draw a Venn diagram. Let's assume this is my universe. This is my A. So if x does not belongs to here, then why should x belongs? Tell me.
ইউনিভার্সের মাঝে স্যার।
Universal mother. Because we know that Dharmaniki, if x does not belongs to A, definitely x belongs to U and x does not belongs to A. What is this thing actually? If x does not belongs to A, definitely x belongs to U and x does not belongs to A. So what is the meaning of this? X belongs to A complement. Is that clear to you guys?
ইয়েস স্যার।
So in this case, what can we write? X belongs to A and X belongs to B complement. Is it clear to you guys? Is it clear to you guys? কথা বলেন।
ইয়েস স্যার।
So if this is the case, what is this actually? What is this? This is nothing but A intersection B complement. So this is nothing but this. Do you agree with me or not?
জি স্যার। স্যার বিষয়টা বুঝাইছে যে এর মাঝে হচ্ছে এ হচ্ছে একটা কিছু হচ্ছে মানে ভ্যালু দেওয়া থাকবে, সেটা বি এর মাঝে থাকবে না।
So this one, A relative complement B is nothing but A intersection B relative B complement. Do you agree with me or not?
জি স্যার, বুঝতে পারছি।
So you people agree with this, right? You people agree with this. Am I right? You don't have any problem with this. Am I right?
Yes, sir. No problem.
যদি তাই হয়, if this is the case, then if this is the case, then how can we write this? তাহলে আমরা, so it is clear, তাহলে আমরা এটাকে কিভাবে লিখতে পারি? তাহলে আমরা এটাকে কিভাবে লিখতে পারি? How can we write this? We can write this as do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
And এটাকে আমরা কিভাবে লিখতে পারি? A intersection B complement.
Complement.
So the whole thing is nothing but A intersection B C complement. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
আবার according to that logic, A this is nothing but B minus C complement. This is nothing but A intersection C complement. And this one is nothing but
B intersection C
C
complement.
complement whole complement.
Whole complement.
So this is nothing but do you agree with me or not? Right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So A minus B minus C, proving this equal to A minus C minus B minus C, which is nothing but logical equivalent to A intersection B C dash equal to these two are logical equivalent. Do you agree with me or not? Proving this is nothing but proving this. Right? Right, guys? So instead of proving this, we are trying to prove this. So how can I prove this? Let's take left hand side. Let's take right hand side first. RHS. So what is RHS? So what can I do? Let's do distribution. Let's take these two common. So then what? This one is nothing but if we apply associativity, and this one is nothing but now what is this? What is this? What is that part? C complement intersection C. What would be the result? Guys, C complement C. What would be the result?
Student is being null.
Fantastic. Now, what is the rule? Inverse. Then A intersection phi. What is this? What is this? A intersection phi is nothing but
Null.
phi. What is the rule? What is the rule? Domination. Then this one, this one. So if you consider this thing and this thing, if you union these two, you get what is the rule? What is the rule? Identity. Done. So we have proved this one is nothing but this one. We proved this, it means we proved this. Yes.
স্যার লাস্টে সি সি কমপ্লিমেন্টটা সি কিভাবে হলো?
C complex C হয় না। C complex C আছে।
আচ্ছা
Done?
yes sir.
Acha. Last topic of the set theory, then we'll start relation. Another topic. Don't worry. After it, we'll do some sort of problem solving class. One problem solving class would be there. Three people raise the problems and we are going to solve this. So let's take this up. So far, we have considered union and intersection of two sets. So, A union B. What is this? What is the meaning of this?
সবগুলো মানে স্যার এর মাঝে আছে
Logically, what is the definition of this? All x belongs to A or x belongs to B. যদি তিনটা সেট থাকে, how can you represent this?
All x x belongs to A
X belongs to A or
or
X belongs to B or X belongs to C. So, if there are n number of sets A1, A2, A3, AN, then that union is represented by this. Okay? So this is how we represent the union of n number of sets. And what is the meaning of this? This is nothing but all x belongs to A1 or x belongs to A2 or ... x belongs to
AN.
So this symbol represents union of n number of sets, and sets are A1 to A. So same way, intersection would be like this. Intersection would be like this. Intersection would be this AI I equal to 1 to n. It means all x belongs to A1 and x belongs to A2 and ... x belongs to A1. Done? So this is the definition of intersection of n number of sets. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
So if we apply the Morgans, then what do we get on n set? So now if you apply the Morgan, then what would be the result? This one become intersection. Do you agree with me on that? Guys? Yes? No? And intersection of AI.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but change the symbol. Thus, done. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So that is the end of the set theoretic discussion topic. Now we'll start relation and function. If you have any question about set theory, you can ask a question. Any question? No question? Done? So let's start relation and function. So let's do another operation on the set. It is called Cartesian product. Cartesian product. So what is Cartesian product? Let's assume A equal to 1 to 3, B equal to AB. So in A, I have this. In B, I have this. 1, 2, 3, A comma B. So how many couples I can create from A to B? Tell me. How many couples are possible? How many couples are possible from
6.
A? 6. What are those? 1 comma A,
1A,
1A, 1B,
2A,
1B এইভাবে যান 1A, 1B,
2A, 2B,
2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. Okay? So Cartesian product of, it is represented by this cross. Cartesian product of two set A comma B is nothing but set of all couples. Okay? Set of all couples. So set of 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma A, 3 comma B. So this is the Cartesian product of A cross B. Is it clear to you guys?
yes, sir.
So how can you define Cartesian product logically? A cross B. How can you define Cartesian product logically? How can you define Cartesian product logically? All x all x, all x, all y, x comma y, such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Am I right or not? All x, all y, x comma y, x belongs to A and x belongs to B. This is the couple. Alright, guys? Done? Any problem?
স্যার বিষয়টা আরেকবার একটু বুঝিয়ে দেন।
এই যে আপনি কাপলগুলো লিখেছেন, কাপলগুলো হচ্ছে 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 3 comma A, 3 comma B. So A cross B is nothing but all the couples x comma y, such that couples first element comes from first set, couples second element comes from second set. Is it clear to you?
ও আচ্ছা, এটা এইভাবে দেখাতে হবে।
Yes, the same way. Because see, if you take any couple, let's say 3 comma A, the first element comes from A. First element comes from A and the second element comes from B. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remember this. Now, what is relation or function? Relation is nothing but a subset of Cartesian product. A relation is nothing but a subset of Cartesian product. So can you tell me a relation from A to B? What would be the relation? What would be the relation? A subset of Cartesian product is nothing but relation. So can you give me an example of relation? Come on.
স্যার এমন কোন সেট যেটাকে 1 2 3 এর মধ্যে যে জাস্ট 1 আর 2 বা শুধু 1 কে কন্টেইন করবে, মানে
আমি বুঝতে পারছি না, জোরে কথা বলেন।
স্যার এখানে যদি একটা সেট থাকে যেটা জাস্ট আমার এই 1 2 3 এ তে যেমন 1 2 3, এখানে যদি শুধু ধরেন সি সেট আছে, সি ইকুয়াল টু 1 2 থাকে, আর পরে যদি আমার সি টু বি থাকে, ওইটার যে ইয়েটা আসবে দ্যাট ইজ এ রিলেশন, আই গেস। আমি জানি
আমি
না।
বলেছি a subset of Cartesian product. A cross B Cartesian product, A and B Cartesian product is nothing but A cross B. Any subset of this is nothing but a relation to B. So can you tell me a relation? Simple.
স্যার এ ইউনিয়ন বি।
A union B cannot. A subset of Cartesian product.
A comma B.
So just
comma
tell
B
me
now.
আমাকে
One-
just wait. A cross B এর একটা সাবসেট আমাকে বল, তাহলে এটা রিলেশন হবে। এনি
1
সাবসেট
কমা এ 1 কমা এ
1 comma A আর একটা নেন, মনে করেন 2 comma B.
1।
So this is a subset of A cross B, so it is a relation. And what is the relation? We can picture this one. 1 2 A B 1 plus শেষ. It is a relation. Done? Can you tell me another relation? Can you tell me another relation?
1B
3A
1
B
1B
3A
3A. Yes,
স্যার
this is a subset. This is a subset of A cross B. So this is also a relation. Yeah. What is the relation? The relation is something like 1 3 B A. 1 is related to B. 3 is related to B. Yes.
স্যার
Yes,
এখন যদি আমার এরকম কিছু থাকে 1 কমা বি 3 কমা এ, এরপর আরেকটা যদি থাকে 3 কমা বি, ওইটা কিভাবে দেখাবো?
সেটাও রিলেশন।
হ্যাঁ, সেটা কিভাবে
1
দেখাবো?
comma B 3 comma A 3 comma B plus 3 connected to both.
আচ্ছা, ওকে স্যার।
So it is a relation. Okay. This is a relation. Now, so remember, any subset any subset of Cartesian product is a relation. Okay. Now let's go to definition of function. Function is a special type of relation where all members in first set are used and each element in first set is connected to only one element in second set. Did you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Where number one, all members in first set are used, number 1 point, and each element in first set is connected to only one element in second set. That means only one relation. Only one relation per element in first set. Do you agree with me or not? This is the definition of function. Did you understand the definition? No sir বলেন, no sir বলেন, আপনারা অনেকেই বুঝেন নাই, কথা বলেন।
জি স্যার বুঝে নাই।
বুঝেন নাই, ওকে, লেটস গিভ ইউ অ্যান এক্সাম্পল, তাহলে ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে। আমার মনে করেন ফার্স্ট সেট হচ্ছে এ, which is nothing but 1 2 3. আমার সেকেন্ড এলিমেন্ট হচ্ছে বি, which is nothing but a comma b. ওকে গাইস, সো মনে করেন one is connected to A, 2 is connected to A. Is it a function? Is it a function
Sir.
or not? No, sir, it is not function. Why? Because go to rule number 1, where all members in first set are used. So this is my first set. This is my second set. Is here all the members in first set used? 3 is unused. Am I right? 3 is not used here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
3 is not related with anybody. So this is the violation of rule 1.
Rule one.
Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
So not function. Okay guys, now let's go to here. This is my A, this is my B. 1 2 3 AB. 1 is connected to A, 2 is connected to B, 3 is connected to B, 2 is also connected to A. Is this function?
No, sir. No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
It is not function because this is the violation of rule number 2. One relation per element in first set. But here 2 is related with A and 2 is also related with B. So one element in A has multiple relation with B. So violation of rule number 2, not function. Do you agree with me or not? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
But definitely they are relation. Am I right? They are relation. Am I right or not? Definitely they are relation, but not function. Because relation means any subset. Alright?
Yes, sir.
So what would be the, can you give me an example of function? Let's assume A is 1 to 3, B is nothing but AB. Can you give me an example of function here? How can we relate?
1 to A,
1 to A,
2 to A,
2 to A,
3 to B.
3 to B is a function. Yes. Thank you. এখন বলেন, if you don't understand these 2 points, point number 1 and point number 2, it is a big problem. You have to understand these 2 problems.
স্যার পয়েন্ট 1টা আরেকবার একটু বোঝাবেন।
এর মধ্যে যতগুলো এলিমেন্ট আছে, you have to use all the elements. In A, I have 3 elements, 1 to 3. So you have to use all the 3 elements.
Sir, could you explain point 2, please?
Point 2 means any element. Take any element in A. If you take any element in A, 1 has only one relation with B. But if you take 2, 2 goes, 2 in 2, there are 2 straight line goes to B. One goes to A, another goes to B. So there are 2 relations.
স্যার কিন্তু আমরা যখন ফাংশন করতেছি তখন কিন্তু আমরা এটাকে স্যার 1 এর সাথে নিতেছি 2 এর সাথেও নিতেছি, সেটা করা যাবে।
সেটা করা যাবে, ওটা কোনো প্রবলেম না। আমি তো বলি নাই অনলি এলিমেন্ট, আমি তো বলি নাই ইচ এলিমেন্ট ইন সেকেন্ড সেট ইজ কানেক্টেড টু অনলি ফার্স্ট এলিমেন্ট ইন এ, সেটা তো বলি নাই। I did not impose any constant on second set. I imposed constant on first set. Okay? So, for example, if you take this, A is 1 to 3, and B is AB. 1 is connected with A, 2 is connected with A, 3 is connected with A. Still, it is a function. Because this second rule, each element in first set is connected to only one element in second set. Each element in first set, the constant is placed on set number 1, not on set number 2. So it is also possible. Did you get it?
ইয়েস স্যার, বুঝতে পারছি।
Okay, fantastic. যদি আপনারা পুরোটাই বুঝে থাকেন, তাহলে এবার আমরা আরেকটু কন্টিনিউ করি। আচ্ছা, ফার্স্ট সেটটাকে বলা হয় আমাদের ফাংশনের জার্গনে, ফার্স্ট সেট ইজ কল্ড ডোমেইন, সেকেন্ড সেট ইজ কল্ড
Range.
না কোডোমেইন। So in this case, in the previous example, domain is nothing but A, codomain is nothing but B. And all the elements used in B are called range. Okay? So let's go back. Here, in this example, what is the domain?
A.
A.
A,
What is the codomain?
B,
What is the range?
A and B.
A comma B. Here also it is the domain. This is the codomain. And what is the range?
A comma B.
Only A.
Only.
Because only A is used. Okay?
Sir,
Mhm.
আর এখানে ডোমেইন যেটা দেওয়া আছে,
Mhm.
ডোমেইনের এলিমেন্ট গুলোকে কি কোনো স্পেশাল
না, ডোমেনের সব এলিমেন্ট I have to use.
আচ্ছা
It is nothing like that I'm going to use some subset of domain. It is not possible. So that's why All the elements are domain used. So domain is used by fully. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Now let's come back to classification of function. Number one. One is called on-to or surjective function. Second one is called one-to-one or injective function. Third one is called one-to-one and one-to. One-to-one and on-to, or one-to-one correspondence, or bijective, or 1-2 plus 1-to-1. They are all same. So these are three types of function we are going to study. Okay. All right, guys. So let's start. What is on-to function? What is on-to function? If
স্যার এইটুকু একটু লিখে নিই আমরা।
okay, listen in this. After finishing, let me know, okay?
ইয়েস স্যার, ডান।
Done? Everybody done? Everybody done? Okay. So what is the definition of onto function? Range equal to codomain. So this is the simplest definition of onto function. Did you understand? Range
Yes.
equal to codomain. That means
আমাদের
we are going to use all the members in codomain as well. Then it is called onto function. So let's go back to our previous example. A is nothing but 1 to 3 and B is nothing but A comma B. So this is my A, this is my B. Now, is this function? Is this function? Is this a function or not?
ইয়েস স্যার, ফাংশন।
Yes,
This is a
sir.
function. Is this a onto function?
ইয়েস স্যার, কারণ এখানে
Because
স্যার
their range is A comma B, which is nothing but codomain. Am I right? So it is a onto function. Did you get the point? Did you get
ইয়েস
the
স্যার,
point?
ইয়েস স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay, yes, sir. Okay. Now, let's take this one. Is it function? This one?
নো স্যার,
Why it is not function?
কারণ আমরা এখানে এ ইউজ করিনি। না না স্যার, এটাও তো ফাংশন।
It
Hi,
is
it's a
also
function.
function.
Yes,
It
sir.
is function. Is it onto function?
নো স্যার,
It is not onto function because range is
Range
B.
is not codomain.
not equal to A comma B equal to codomain. Yes. So you understand what is actually onto function. Now let's go to next definition. And also it is also called onto function is also called onto function is also called what is it called? Subjective. Subjective na. Not subjective. Subjective. Subjective.
Surjective.
Surjective, yes. Surjective function. Next. After a quiz syllabus, what would be the quiz syllabus? Tell me. After the e-education, we'll take the quiz. Which one is preferred by you for quiz syllabus?
স্যার আপনি কতটুকু দিতে চাচ্ছেন?
আমি তো চাচ্ছি পুরাটাই দিতে, যতটুকু আজকে পর্যন্ত কভার করেছি, কারণ কিছুদিন পরেই আপনাদের মিড হয়ে যাবে। বাট আপনারা যদি অল্প নিতে চান নিতে পারেন। ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট শর্ট সিলেবাস দ্যাট উড বি ফাইন ফর মি অলসো।
স্যার আমরা অর্ধেকটা নেই এখন পর্যন্ত যা করেছি।
Okay. I really want to put very easy questions in quiz one so that you people all get 10 out of 10, because you people are getting little bit panicked for online exam, and because of my system, you people are little bit panicked. You people start fearing me. I really don't want your fearing. I want your love. So that's why I really want to have very easy quiz one, so that all of you did wonderful. So what would be the best topic for you? Tell me. Only logic is fine for you? The whole logic part is fine for you?
Sir, I guess logic and set, if others don't have any problem, logic and set almost same. So, মানে আজকেরটা বাদে ফাংশন এন্ড রিলেশন
আপনি একটা বাড়াতে চাচ্ছেন। ইনজামাম সাহেব wants to increase the syllabus. He wants to include the set. Let me finish. He wants to include the set because his logic is set is also completely related with logic. So same thing. So you people agree with him or not? You want set to be included in the quiz? Guys, please tell me something.
স্যার আমরা যখন মিড দিব সেট আর হচ্ছে এই ফাংশন এই দুটো একসাথে দিব না আমাদের ওই লজিক থেকে দিতে হবে?
আপনারা যখন মিড দিবেন, whenever you will participate in the meet you would have logic, set and function together.
তাহলে স্যার আমরা লজিকটাই দেই এক্সাম।
আচ্ছা, logic দেন। Okay, fine. So syllabus is on logic. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Next, go to next type of function. Number 2. 1-to-1 or inject. When one element in codomain, does not connected with more than one element in domain. Is that clear to you guys? When one element in codomain does not connect with more than one element in domain. Is that clear to you? Does not.
জি স্যার বুঝতে পারছি বিষয়টা।
So let's talk about this. Is it a function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My A is nothing but 1 to 3. B is nothing but ABC. It is a function. Is it onto?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it one-to-one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you take any element in the codomain, that is connected to only one element in domain. It
Yes,
is
sir.
one-to-one. Okay. If this is the case, let's take this. Is it a function?
Yes, sir.
It is a function. Is it onto?
No, sir.
Is it one-to-one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you people understand. So let's take another example.
Sir, sorry, sir. Could you explain injective one more time, sir?
When one element in codomain, that means in the second set, does not connect it with more than one element in domain. So there is not more than one straight line connected with A. That means there is not more than one straight line in B, any element in B connected with A. একটা straight line থাকতে শুধু একটা straight line, যেই element in an একটা straight line, maximum একটা straight line.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Is it clear to you now?
Yes.
So let's take this example. Is it function?
Yes, sir.
It is function. Is it one to?
No, sir.
Is it one-to-one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Is it clear? The person who asked me just question, just few seconds back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why
It
it is
is clear.
why it is not one-to-one? Why it is not
Uh,
one-to-one?
Because I think it 2 is connected to A, so there is a straight line.
No, no, no. I don't think. Don't say think. Just be sure.
No,
Tell me why it is
Two
not
is-
one-to-one.
one-to-one, sir, because 1 and 2 are both connected to A, and 3 is
Wonderful.
connected to C.
Wonderful. And why it is not one-to?
Why is it not?
কোডোমেইনের সাথে রেঞ্জগুলো মিল নাই
মিল নাই না?
মানে ওই এলিমেন্ট গুলো নাই স্যার মানে
Element
যেগুলো
গুলাই-
থাকতে হবে
So, see. Here range is A, C because
Equal
only A and
codomain.
C are used, which is nothing
Yeah.
but A, B, C, which is my codomain. So that's why it is not 1-2. Am I right? And why it is not 1-1? Take A. Take A. A is connected by 1. A is connected by 2. So more than one element in A is connected with B. That's why it is not 1-1. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Now let's go to the final one. Please, I remind you again, please send me the password as soon as possible. You have to fix this issue before going to Eid vacation. Number 3. 1-1 plus 1-2 or bijective. One to one plus 1-2. So you understand what is this? This is nothing but both. 1-2 plus 1-1. Okay? So this is the definition of bijective, or 1-1 plus 1-2, or 1-1 correspondence. So let's have an example. Is this function?
Yes, sir.
It is function. Is this 1 to?
Yes, sir.
This is 1 to 1?
No, sir.
No, sir. So it is definitely not bijective, right?
Yes, sir.
This is definitely not bijective. Let's take this. Is this function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this 1 to?
No,
No,
sir.
This is 1 to 1?
Yes, sir.
Definitely it is not bijective. Let's take another example. One is connected to C, 3 is connected to A, 2 is connected to D. Is it function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it 1 to?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it 1 to 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So definitely it is bijective.
Yes, sir.
Alright, guys. So that's it. Okay, guys. Today we'll stop here today. So let's stop here today now. So please remember to send me your password. Okay, guys?
স্যার আমি তো স্যার পাসওয়ার্ড সকালে পাঠাইছি আজকে
হ্যাঁ পাঠালে তো পাবোই। So please make sure to post as private on Piazza.
Sir,
pro-
what password?
Send me your IUB ID and password.
Oh,
স্যার আমার একটু প্রবলেম হয়েছিল
Didn't you get the post I have sent to you?
I
Send
haven't.
me 6 characters.
I haven't checked it yet, sir. I will check it. I will check it.
Why don't you check it here? Why didn't you check it here?
Sorry, sir.
It is important, right?
Yes, sir. I'm very sorry.
Okay.
স্যার আমরা যে পাসওয়ার্ডটা আপনাকে দিয়ে দিব সেই পাসওয়ার্ডটা তো আপনি হচ্ছে ইয়া করে দিবেন তাই না স্যার লাইক
আমি ডাটাবেসে স্টোর করে রাখবো।
ওকে স্যার বুঝতে পারছি
আর কিছু বলবেন?
স্যার আমার একটু এডিট করতে হয়েছিল পাসওয়ার্ডটা প্লেন টেক্সটে চলে গেছিল তো স্যার একসাথে মিক্স হয়ে গেছিল
আমি বুঝিনি।
মানে পাসওয়ার্ডটা ফার্স্টে সেন্ড করছিলাম তো দেন স্যার এডিট করতে হয়েছিল মানে স্পেসটা কম পড়ছিল তো স্যার মানে একসাথে হয়ে গেছিল
ও আচ্ছা, তাহলে আপনি আবার আমাকে বলেন যে আগে পাঠিয়েছি ওটা বাতিল, নতুন যেটা পাঠিয়েছি এটা কাউন্ট কর, এটা বলে
আচ্ছা,
আমাকে
স্যার।
মেল কর।
ওকে স্যার
ওকে গাইস, অনেক বকাঝকা দিয়েছি আপনাদেরকে।
স্যার
Lot of-
অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স
হ্যাঁ দিচ্ছি, আপনাদেরকে অনেক বকাঝকা দিয়েছি। এখন ঈদ চলে এসেছে, খুশির ঈদ,
স্যার
সুতরাং জি বলেন।
স্যার আমার অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা একটু দিয়ে দেন প্লিজ। আমার এখানে লোডশেডিং হয়েছে তো, মানে নেট মানে চলে যাবে আর একটু পর, তাই আর কি।
ইনজামাম,
Yes, sir.
অনেক বকাঝকা দিয়েছি আপনাদেরকে, তো ঈদের সময় তো এগুলো মনে রাখা যাবে না। তো আপনাদের ঈদ ভালো কাটুক, আনন্দে কাটুক, ভালো মতো গরু খাসি খান, এই দোয়া করি।
স্যার আপনিও
হ্যাঁ, আপনাদের ঈদ শুভ হোক। সো হ্যাভ এ নাইস উইকেন্ড। ঈদ মোবারক।
ঈদ মোবারক স্যার।
ঈদ মোবারক স্যার।
ঈদ মোবারক স্যার।
ঈদ মুবারক স্যার
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার
ওয়ালাইকুম